the most essential sensor ever, PIR motion detector of a new Hikvision AX Pro alarm system. We're going to quickly glance through the operating principle, features, build, and activation, and then you can get it on our People Systems store, delivered across entire UK. My name is Daniel, Hikvision AX PRO PIR Detector, and we begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
You know this one. You pass within the detection area. You get a triggering. 1 second. The signal comes to hop. You're notified on your phone. The siren goes wild and everyone around is aware of that something is wrong. The principle is plain and simple. So behind this Fresnel lens, a specially treated angular-shaped surface that makes the incoming light focus on a single point, on the PIR sensor inside of it, which is sensitive to, as you can guess, the infrared lighting. And the infrared lighting is the kind of lighting that we, warm-blooded, emit with our bodies. But it can be tricky sometimes, because when it's hot, the temperature of the environment could get to near the human body level, resulting in a number of false triggerings. And there are animals which body temperatures are near the people ones. And therefore, the modern PIR detector must have the bat immunity and the temperature compensation algorithm. And it's all good here. And also, Hikvision claimed that they have greatly reduced the probability of detecting different infrared and electromagnetic noises due to their new IFT technology, which is a one more plus on their side. The specs are as follows. The maximum operating distance available between the motion detector and the AX hub is 1600 meters. The detection range itself is 15 meters in front of the sensor with 85.9 degrees field of view, which is almost a quarter of a 360. So your detection view angle is something like this quarter. And that is why the best height to install it on is around 2 meters, 2.1, 2.2, a bit above the human head level. And what's important, don't install it facing the windows or the fireplace. And don't put any high objects in front of it, as they can just limit the view area. Now, alright, also the battery in this guy will hold for as long as 5 years. Your data is transmitted wirelessly over the 868 MHz radio frequency and is protected due to the AES 128 encryption. And the AX Pro PIR sensor is immune to bats under 30 kilograms in weight and 40 centimeters in height. It just ignores them. Now, to start this guy up, you of course need to have the AX Pro hub up and running. And you need to have a HikConnect app installed on your phone. And from that moment, unscrew the single screw on the body top. Now in the HikConnect app, open your hub and go to the second tab, the device. Press Add Device button, scan a sensor's QR code. Now toggle the switch on the sensor's back. The LED here blinks with green 7 times. Here goes a notification on top, and we're on the sensor's settings screen. Now you go back, and here you can on the system with the PIR sensor active. Like this AX Pro PIR detector from Hikvision. Pre-order it on the People Systems store following this link or the one in the description. The global launch is coming, and thank you for watching.